Upgrading to an SSD is genuinely the single best value upgrade you can make, transforming a sluggish computer into a fast, responsive machine, and they're cheaper than ever in 2026. Whether you need internal storage or a portable drive, there's a genuine bargain here. I tested 5 of the best. Let's get into it. New to Tech Bee. We cover the tech and gear that actually matters. Honest reviews, real comparisons, no sponsored fluff. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video. We drop fresh content every single week and you'll want to be here for the next one. The Sandisk WD Blue SN5100 is the genuine best value internal NVMe pick, delivering fast, reliable everyday performance from a trusted brand at a genuinely accessible price. WD's Blue line is renowned for delivering dependable, great value storage, and the SN5100 continues that, with genuinely fast NVMe PCIe speeds that dramatically speed up boot times, app loading, and file transfers, a real everyday upgrade over old hard drives, and even SATA SSDs. The M.2 form factor installs genuinely easily into most modern laptops and desktops, taking up virtually no space, and WD's reputation for reliability means genuine peace of mind for your data. The efficient performance runs genuinely cool and dependable for everyday computing, gaming, and work, and the capacity comfortably holds your operating system, apps, and files. The trusted WD software helps genuinely manage and monitor the drive. The accessible price makes a real speed upgrade attainable. For anyone who wants a genuinely fast, reliable, great value internal NVMe SSD from a trusted brand, the WD Blue SN5100 is the most well-rounded, most everyday value pick on this entire list. The Sandisk WD Blue SN5100 delivers fast, reliable NVMe performance from a trusted brand at a genuinely accessible price. And the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. A real speed upgrade, honest price. The Samsung 870 EVO is the genuine older PC and universal upgrade champion, the legendary SATA SSD that breathes genuine new life into virtually any computer. The standout is the genuine SATA interface, which works in genuinely any computer with a standard drive bay, including older laptops and desktops that don't support NVMe, making it the perfect upgrade to revive an aging machine, a real universal compatibility advantage. Samsung is the genuine gold standard in SSDs, and the 870 EVO delivers with rock-solid reliability and consistently fast SATA speeds that dramatically outpace old spinning hard drives for genuinely faster boot, loading, and transfers. The renowned Samsung durability and endurance mean genuine long-term peace of mind, and the excellent Samsung Magician software helps genuinely manage and optimize the drive. The standard 2.5-inch form factor installs genuinely easily, and the capacity handles an OS, apps, and files. For anyone who wants to genuinely revive an older PC or needs a rock-solid, universally compatible SATA SSD from the best brand, the Samsung 870 EVO is the most universally compatible, most reliable classic pick on this entire list. The Samsung 870 EVO revives virtually any computer with rock-solid, universally compatible SATA speed, and the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Revive any PC, trusted quality. The Addlink G55H is genuine cutting-edge speed pick, delivering blazing next-generation PCIe 5.0 performance at a genuinely surprising value for such advanced tech. The standout is the genuine PCIe 5.0 Gen 5 interface, the newest and fastest standard, which delivers genuinely blistering read and write speeds far beyond Gen 4 drives, dramatically accelerating huge file transfers, demanding games, and professional workloads. A real advantage for enthusiasts and creators wanting the fastest storage. The generous 1 terabyte capacity holds a genuine library of games, apps, and large files, and the M.2 form factor installs into compatible modern Gen 5 motherboards. The blazing speeds genuinely shine for demanding tasks like video editing, large game loading, and data-heavy work. And the drive delivers this cutting-edge performance at a genuinely more accessible price than many Gen 5 rivals. The efficient design handles sustained loads. For enthusiasts, gamers, and creators who want genuinely cutting-edge PCIe 5.0 speed at a surprising value, the Addlink G55H is the most cutting-edge, most next-gen speed pick on this entire list. The Addlink G55H delivers blazing cutting-edge PCIe 5.0 Gen 5 speed at a genuinely surprising value. And the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Next-gen speed, smarter price. The Crucial X10 is the genuine fast portable pick, delivering speedy, pocketable external storage you can take genuinely anywhere. The standout is the genuine combination of fast portable speeds and a rugged, compact design, letting you transfer large files, backups, and media quickly to a drive that slips genuinely into a pocket, a real advantage over slow external hard drives. The fast USB connectivity delivers genuinely speedy transfers for photos, videos, games, and backups on the go. And the generous 1 terabyte capacity holds a real library of content. The genuinely rugged, durable design often includes water and drop resistance, so it survives travel and the outdoors. Ideal for creators and travelers. The compact, lightweight, pocketable form goes genuinely anywhere, and the plug-and-play simplicity works across computers, and often phones and consoles. Crucial's reputation for reliable storage backs it. For anyone who wants genuinely fast, rugged, pocketable external storage for files, backups, and media on the go, the Crucial X10 is the most portable fast, most take-anywhere pick on this entire list. The Crucial X10 delivers fast, rugged, pocketable external storage you can take genuinely anywhere, and the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Fast storage anywhere you go. Closing out the list, the Synology BeeDrive 1 terabyte, the genuine backup-focused pick. A portable SSD built specifically around effortless, automatic backups to keep your data genuinely safe. Unlike a standard portable drive, the BeeDrive is designed around genuine backup convenience, pairing fast portable SSD storage with smart software that automatically backs up your computer and even your phone with genuinely minimal setup. A real advantage for anyone who wants their data protected without thinking about it. The standout is the genuine one-touch and automatic backup system, which makes protecting your photos, files, and documents genuinely effortless and hands-off. The fast SSD speeds deliver genuinely quick backups and transfers, and the compact portable design goes genuinely anywhere. The 1 terabyte capacity holds a real library of backups, and the genuine phone backup feature wirelessly saves your photos and files. Synology's reputation for reliable storage and backup solutions backs it. For anyone who wants genuinely effortless automatic backups of their computer and phone in a portable drive, the Synology BeeDrive is the most backup-focused, most data-protecting pick on this entire list. The Synology BeeDrive makes protecting your computer and phone data genuinely effortless with automatic backups, and the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Effortless backups, protected data. Almost done. And if this breakdown just helped you find the right SSD for your setup, do us one favor and hit that subscribe button. It takes 1 second and keeps us making honest content like this every week. We appreciate every one of you watching. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because storage deals move fast. If this helped you find the right cheap SSD, smash that like button and subscribe to TechBee for honest tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.